Hello students, today let us try to understand the Gattermann-Koch aldehyde synthesis. Okay, and another name of this is Gattermann-Koch formylation. Okay, so when you talk about the Gattermann-Koch aldehyde synthesis, it is direct conversion of benzene to benzaldehyde. Okay, it is direct conversion of benzene to benzaldehyde. So let us have a look over it, student. They are saying that is formylation of benzene and alkyl benzene by the carbon monoxide and hydrogen chloride in the presence of anhydrous Cl3 as a catalyst and CuCl as a co-catalyst is known as Gattermann-Koch formylation. It means with the help of carbon monoxide and HCl and Lewis acid, that is anhydrous Cl3, that is the formylation of the benzene is taking place, or alkyl benzene is taking place, in which that is the benzaldehyde, that is aldehyde group is getting introduced to benzene ring, is known as Gattermann-Koch aldehyde synthesis. The mixture of carbon monoxide and HCl is obtained by dropping chlorosulfuric acid on formic acid. So here formic acid is there and chlorosulfuric acid, so it is giving CO and HCl plus H2SO4. So dear student, you see here is we are having the benzene. Okay, this is the benzene and it is reacting with the carbon monoxide, HCl and anhydrous AlCl3 and Cu2Cl2 as a catalyst. So that is benzaldehyde is forming. Okay, this is the benzaldehyde. Okay, another we are having that is methyl benzene is there, that is also known as toluene. So if you are treating this toluene with the CuHCl plus anhydrous AlCl3 and CuCl2 catalyst, so it is giving what, student? That is 4-methyl benzaldehyde. So that is also, that is the Gattermann reaction. Now students, now what we are going to understand, we are going to understand the mechanism. So when you talk about the mechanism, student, very simple mechanism is there. HCl is there, student, and that is we are having, that is CO. Okay, so that is carbon is the negatively charged and oxygen is positively charged. So what is happening, student? Along with that catalyst we are taking AlCl3. Okay, so what is forming, student? Cu2Cl2 is there, that is not needed. So what it is going to form? So this negative charge is attracting this hydrogen. So what it is forming, student, you can see HC triple bond O, and that is the positive, and along with that this AlCl3, this Cl is going to Al, so it is forming, that is AlCl4 minus. Okay, now this is acting as a electrophile, student, this is acting as a electrophile. Okay, now this electrophile will be attack on the benzene ring. Let us have a look over it. So we are having, this is the benzene ring. Okay, so in this benzene ring, what is happening, student? What is happening on the in this benzene? Sorry, it's got connect this. No, this is benzene ring, and in this benzene ring, we are going to attack HC triple bond O positive. So this bond of the benzene ring is going to attack here. So what is the compound it is giving? Here is the benzene. Okay, and this is the hydrogen and this is oxygen. Okay, this is the oxygen, and with this oxygen, what will happen, student? With this oxygen, actually the attack will be not by the oxygen, the attack will be on the carbon, student. Whatever we are doing, this is not exactly correct. The attack will be on the, on the carbon. Okay, so if it is attacking on the carbon, friends, so this is the positively charged, this is the shifting here. Okay, so let us do the arrangement. So C is attacking here, C is being formed, here is triple bond is there, the positive charge, this is going here, and hydrogen is there on one place. Okay, now with this hydrogen is also there, and you will find that is inside of the ring there will be the positive charge will be there, student, after the attack, because is this electron is going, so here will be the positive charge. Ultimately, if this is the carbocation, okay, student, this is known as carbocation. So if this carbocation, again I am writing here, how I am writing, You can check it out, student. Here is C, double no, triple bond O. This is going here. This is the hydrogen here, and this is hydrogen, and this is the positive charge. This is wrongly we mentioned, student. So here is we are having, that is AlCl4 minus. So this will attack on this. Okay, so this bond is being shipped. This bond, it is being shipped here. So how the final product will be like that, student? That is we are having, that is CHO and plus HCl plus AlCl3. Okay, so this is what is, student, known as benzaldehyde. This reaction is in the form product is benzaldehyde, and total reaction is known as Gattermann-Koch aldehyde synthesis. So this is our final product. Thank you so much for watching, friend.